Well, it looks like Setpower has delivered a fridge to me to try out. Not gonna lie, the packaging is a little questionable, but we'll open it up and see if there's any damage. And looks like it's got a couple straps here cut off. Let's open and see what we got. I'm a big fan of Setpower. I've had their fridge for a long time, and they've sent me this Pro model with a handle, which I probably won't put on, and wheels. No, I'm definitely not going to put on. Well, I may actually take off too. So this one's a little different than the one I have. It's still 45 quart. Like that's everything. Out of the way. No damage to the fridge itself. It does have the handle on it. I will probably just take that off. I think that's really the difference. They added a set of wheels. Yeah, so we got a set of wheels and accessories that we're not going to utilize. This thing actually looks like it's been returned, but it's free, so can't complain there. There's the wheels. We're not going to be using those. It's got a handle. We will take off this handle here, but it, for the most part, I think it's exactly like the one I have in the Jeep, but this one is going to go in the Xterra, so pretty excited about that. One thing I noticed is, actually didn't think it was going to be a big deal, but when you remove that handle, there's no handle on this side to strap down to. So I'm going to have to install that handle real quick. So this isn't actually too bad. There's a cover for this. Got a couple star fasteners here. It's like you just slide this in that, and then another one of these. This one in here. Just lined up. That way we will have, and there's some covers for this too. I'll go grab those. Cover up these holes. For these areas here. I got everything mounted. They come with the these straps come with this Setpower fridge slide, which is super nice. This fridge is dual zone, so you can do freezer, you can do freezer, fridge. You can pull this out, just have one big fridge or one big freezer. It's super handy. Dual zones here, you can control one zone versus the other. You can turn one off or down, but yeah, this is a really nice addition. I'll be powering this through my EcoFlow River Pro, and that will be plugged into the vehicle. So I tested it out on my other fridge, which is the exact same model as this one, and it went 56 hours on one charge. So all I need to do is make it through the night most of the time, and then I can recharge it during the day. Eventually, I will add a solar panel to the top of the rooftop tent, which would help charge the EcoFlow during the day, if I was going to stay camping in one spot for extended time, which I typically don't do. So